understanding. Once again, I will go back. This is the given problem for you people. Okay, from this we have to calculate TE or TA. Okay, generally we can call it as a TE. How to calculate TE? So for TE, the formula is already there. So what is that formula? T. What is that formula? That TE is equal to TO plus 4 TM plus TP divided by 6. This formula is there. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the TA values. Is it right? After calculating that TA values, we have to go for forward. That to calculate the variance. How to calculate the variance? Similar problem formula. So by using this TA, you can calculate the critical path. So once you write down the activity and number of months in front of that, then calculate early start and late start. ES and LS. Early start should be calculated from backward to forward, and late start should be minus from end point to the origin point or start point. So once you calculate this, difference between each node should be 0 for critical path, and that is coming at 0, 0, number 1, number 3, and number 7. For other nodes, there is a difference. So critical path is 0, 1, 3, 7, or activity A, B, C. These three activities indicate critical path. So here it is calculated expected project duration. So critical path is shown with the two dotted lines. Is it right? That A plus B plus C, 12.3 plus 9 plus 3.2. These are the values of TE. So total project duration is 24.5 months. But one more thing is asked for us, that is how much percent of project is completed in 23 months. So we have to calculate that Z value, that schedule date minus expected date divided by standard deviation. Standard deviation is we have to calculate by using formula TO minus TP divided by 6 bracket square. Okay, so 23 minus 24.5, that standard deviation 15. So sorry, 1.5 is here, not 15. Okay, so here total things are coming as a total calculation come as a -1. Go in this chart, -1 is here, sorry, one value is here, 0.8413, and the minus sign. So further calculation is like this, that 1 minus, what is the value of that -1? Sorry, 1.18413, as it has minus sign, so we have to minus it from 100% or 1. So it gives me 0.1578, sorry, 87. 0.1587 into 100, it gives me 15.87% in 23 months. So project in a 23 months, only 15% project will be completed. So this is the particular solution for first problem for today. Late joiners, please write down your roll numbers in chat box. I am repeating same thing every time. Those who are late comers, those who are joined late, please write down your roll number in chat box so that your attendance can be marked. Total 44 students are there, so I want 44 roll numbers in chat box. If you are missed, I am not having, please don't blame me. Okay, so this is the given problem. This is the given problem. This is the given activity table. TO, TM and TP is given to you. You have to calculate TA. Based on that TE, you have to draw the network. Okay, so just we will go. This is the calculation of TA. T formula is there, TO plus 4 TL plus TP divided by 6. The T values are there. The sigma TP minus TO divided by 6 bracket square, that values are there. Okay, so this is your path, and critical path is 1, 3, 5, 6, and total is 19. You are having 17. Okay, variance is 3. Sigma, critical path, critical activity. Okay, then we have to go for probability calculations. What is that probability calculations? If project, calculate the probability that project will be completed at least 3 weeks than completed. टोटल आले 19 तर 16 वीक मध्ये किती होईल आणि 18 वीक मध्ये किती होईल. जो वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट. सो 16 weeks, T 19 weeks. Your answer is, total answer is somewhere missing. It you have written 17. Please check 1, 3, 5, 6. That week is correct, but answer is coming as 19 weeks. Just check once again. I am waiting for your reply. So TL is 16 weeks expected, and 19 weeks is the original one. So TL minus T minus 3 under root sigma square. That sigma value is calculated already in previous case. Here sigma value is 3. So sigma square is 3 square 9. Again it comes 3 minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 means, again once this 1 is there, we have to refer this chart. 1, 0, 0, 0.8413. Okay, that 8413 having minus sign. If you minus it, it gives the, already we have made calculations here in our real case. So 0.1587, that is 15.9%. So here it is shown here 15.9% in a 16 week. If your project total days are 19 weeks. Is it right? Then if TL is 18 weeks, probability of completing in 11 weeks is, okay, so where this particular part came into the picture. जर 19 दिवसाच्या ऐवजी TL 18 असेल, 18 येत असेल, तर 11 वीक मध्ये किती कंप्लीट होणार आहे. Please check value of 13. Okay, what is the value of 13? It is 6, no? Yeah, 4 is there. Okay. Yeah, 4 is there. Instead of 6, 4 is there. Your 17 is correct in that case. So if 17 is there, then here the value will be 1, then say 16 and 17. Then here value is coming minus 1 by 3 or minus 0.33. Then in our case, in this particular table, 0.3 and again 0.3. So value will be here. So 0.6293 minus 1. So here near about 30. We have started. Okay, so your value will be 0.33, so 0.3 is here and 0.03 is here. So 6.6293. 1 minus 6293 near about 37%. So your here instead of 15.9, so your answer will be here. Your answer will be 37%. Project probability of completion project in a 16 week is this much, that is 37%. And next question, if TL is 18 week, what is the probability of completion in 11 weeks? So that 18 minus 17 divided by 3, so that will give us 1 by 3, again 0.33. So again similar is there, that 68, 61.8 or 62%. Is it right? So I hope you understood this particular problem. Whether you understood or not, please reply me. Hello, please reply me. Unmute yourself. Not. Where you have not understood roll number 31, please reply. Please unmute yourself and talk.
Sir, probability percentage, 4%.
Okay. You have understood this part, how to calculate critical path and total number of days?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then further we have to calculate this Z value. Okay. Z value, how we should calculate? That expected time minus the our TE, what is the total time of the project, divided by in root variance square. So variance square already we have calculated here. Variance is already calculated here. What is the formula of that? Sigma is equal to TP minus TO divided by 6. Okay, so TP minus TO, 7 minus 1 divided by 6, so 1. So already this sigma values and sigma square values we have calculated in this table in previous case. Okay, here. Then we have to just take the sigma values of critical path 1 to 3. What is the value of sigma? 1, sigma square. Then 3 to 5, 4, and 5 to 6, again 4. So based on this, so here it is given 1, 4, 4. So we have to make the summation of this 9. So we have to take the root of 9. So that is 3. So sigma value is your 3. So that value we have to put here. Okay. TL expected week 16 week. TE total weeks, that is 17. Here it is coming 17. You can write down here. What is there? Your how you can write here? So I'm not having this particular pen, still I will try. Okay. So how that you can write here? 16 minus 17 divided by 3. It will give you 1 minus 1 by 3. All of you understood? Is equal to minus 0.0, sorry, not 0, 0.34. So that will be the value. Then this value is minus. So you have to go to the previous chart. Which chart? That previous condition chart. This chart we have to come here. So what is there in this chart? 3. Your value is 0.34. So 3 and 0.04. you have to go for here. You have to select this value. Okay, so 0.34. So 3 is coming here. So your value is 0.34. So this value you have to select. Then you have to go to the back. So here. So what is that value? What is that value is coming? 0.6331. Okay. So here I will write here. So probability is that here equal to minus 0.63%. Is it right? So this is minus sign. So that minus we have to minus from 100%. So minus 1 minus 0.63. It gives me 0.37 multiplied by 100. So this will be converted into percentage equal to 37%. So this particular in a 16 weeks your project will be completed 37% and same calculation we have made here. Have you understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly, what is the condition is given? If your TL is 18, here you are considering TL is a 17, but in problem it is given that if TL is 18, what is the probability of project completing in 11 weeks? Okay, so here that we have to calculate. Then 18 minus 17 divided by 3 because sigma value is 3. So here it is not becoming minus, here directly it comes 1 by 3. 1 by 3 already we have calculated 1 by 3, 0.34. That value is coming as a 0.63. Is it right? So from probability chart, so that once you minus that particular value, that 63% or 62% is the your completion due date. Okay, so everything is related to this particular chart. Okay, this particular table. So I hope you are looking to this particular table. So in exam, this table is not, either this table is provided to you people or you can direct calculate on the calculator. How to calculate on the calculator, that part I will tell you in the class when you resume in the month of August or September maybe. Okay, because calculator part is not possible through this online session. So I will tell you how to calculate through the calculator or this table. This printout will be provided to you to find out the probability. Okay, I hope you understood this particular part. So time is less than 1 minute. I am going to end the meeting. Please rejoin. Please rejoin.